So this video is about making beetroot. Here we picked the beetroot out of the garden, and then we've just put them in to this big pan. I do it with I even leave all the soil on it because it's going to be boiled, but I don't take the skins off or anything. I just leave them in the pot. Then we boil them up. You check them with a fork to make sure they're nice and soft. Then we take them out there. Just rub the skins off with your hands, and then we cut the beetroot up into little slices. We put them in just slices about maybe 3/4 of a centimetre across, something like that. And then we just jar them up. Here's Melanie. She's filling up these beetroot jars with vinegar. This is our own vinegar, which we made from red wine. And
we get it up to 80 Celsius about.
Well, to stop, you don't have to. You can put vinegar. You can put vinegar in that's still like active, but if you want to stop if you don't want to stop the bacterial activity of the vinegar, you just get up to about 80 degrees or anything. In this case, we've heated up the vinegar quite hot because it's sort of the reason why I don't want to stop the bacterial activity of the vinegar. It's just that it sterilizes the beetroot a bit, although it is quite sterile anyway. But the beetroot's only got to survive about, I don't know, 3 or 4 months because we'll eat it.
Yeah,
so the beetroot's only got to be in there for about 4 months because we'll just generally eat it.
Yeah, we just fill it so that all the beetroots are completely covered under the vinegar. And then we put the lid on immediately to store that heat in there. And then just like that.
Yeah.
Got pickled beetroot.
So because there's acid preserving them, we don't really have to worry too much about put them in a bain-marie or anything. And yeah, the acid will kill all the bacteria. So there we go. And then we'll put them on the shelf and eat them, and we put them in salads and stuff like that. Beetroot's one of the favourite things we do.
Yeah.
So there you go, beetroot.